Hello, welcome to Metro Scan. This is the show that scans the news from Chennai, Kolkata and Mumbai.
Bollywood seems to be going all out along with the common man to voice their protests against the recent terrorist attacks in Mumbai. Several Bollywood celebs attended peace marches and protests all over Mumbai. Moreover, Bollywood A-list stars are too expressing their concern over the Mumbai terror attacks. Have a look.
It's not just the ordinary man on the streets, but Bollywood too is on tenterhooks after the recent terror attacks in Mumbai city. The residents of India's booming Hindi film industry are worried for the nation too. Bollywood's A-list stars are feeling a little jittery since 26/11 and they wonder if they and their loved ones are really secure from random terror attacks. Bollywood superstar Aamir Khan has reacted to the terror attacks on Mumbai and its aftermath.
ऊपर वाला नेक हिदायत दे उन लोगों को जो जिनके जहन में ऐसे खतरनाक और बुरे काम हैं और जो इनोसेंट लाइव्स के साथ खिलवाड़ कर रहे हैं। ऊपर वाला उन्हें नेक हिदायत दे, उन्हें अच्छी सोच दे। हमारी सिटी को, हमारे देश को की बचाव में, हम सब के बचाव में जो लोगों ने अपनी जान कुर्बान की है, उनके लिए मेरे दिल में आज दुआ है।
Well, it's not only actor Aamir Khan who has expressed his concern over the Mumbai terror attacks, but also King Khan gave his views on the attacks. Meanwhile, a protest by Shashi Ranjan and filmmaker Ashok Pandit against Pakistani actors in India led to a general protest against the terror attacks. Around 100 bikers rode from Bandra to Juhu as a part of the protest.
The whole system failed. There is no denial about this, and you've seen what kind of political reaction we had in the country. So it's sad, it's extremely sad, but it is time not to just feel sad, but to act. And to act, I think it is high time that we, the people of the country, must awaken ourselves, awaken our friends.
And not only this, Lok Satta Andolan organized a do or leave march from Gateway of India to Azad Maidan to protest against the terror attacks. Hundreds of youth from various sections, including Bollywood actress Diya Mirza, participated in the march.
मेरा मानना ये है कि आतंक का कोई भेदभाव नहीं होता है, कोई देश नहीं होता है. I really feel that whoever has terrorized this nation, whoever has spread terror needs to be taken to task. What we need to concentrate on right now, more than anything else, instead of playing the blame game and saying that this person is responsible or that, I think what's important right now is for us to safeguard our security, make certain important reforms within the political system to ensure our safety.
On the whole, as India's city of dreams recovers from what seemed like an unending nightmare, there is still an unsettling anger against terrorism and religious divides in India. Varsha Arola for DD News, Mumbai.
Well, Mark, that's all we have from Mumbai for today, but we'll be back tomorrow evening with more updates from the commercial capital. Thanks for watching and have a nice evening. Good night.
Thanks very much, Shriti, and on behalf of the viewers, you have a great evening as well. That's it on Metro Scan for today. Monday to Friday, 6:30 in the evening. That's when we get Metro Scan. Do stay tuned for more news and updates. Namaskar.